My mom was just found on her bathroom floor deceased 2 nights ago. She had been laying there for at least a couple of days. She was a level 1 hoarder, and honestly, I'm reaching out because we desperately need help. The quotes we have gotten for cleanup are over $5,000, and we can't afford that. Being the next of kin, it is my responsibility moving forward, and I am in desperate need of help. I have a younger brother who just started college too. Please help us. For-profit companies exist to do crime scene cleanup, and it's obviously very lucrative. Unfortunately, I get comments like these all the time. People going through one of the hardest moments of their life, getting slapped on with a $5,000, $10,000 bill to clean up the remains of their loved one. That really sucks, dude. And obviously, I get it. This work is really hard, and there is risk to it, and you should get paid well for it. But at the end of the day, what happens is that people can't afford that, and they end up doing it themselves, and they traumatize themselves. And some of them even kill themselves afterwards. It's a little fucked up, and I'm going to change that. I have a 501c charity, nonprofit, and the money I get from that is going to cover every single cost associated with death cleanup. And eventually we'll get to a point where people aren't saying no to emergency death cleanup help just because they can't afford it. That shouldn't be a thing anymore. It's kind of ridiculous. It's 2023. People don't need to be cleaning up the remains of their loved ones.